This is the greenhouse I use for the frame for the flight cage. I use twist ties. Turn back here a little bit. Now for the opening, I don't know if you can see very well, I just cut the wire away and put in plastic. And I'm pretty sure you get the picture. On the very bottom, on the bottom is the regular grill that goes in there to set your plants on. And I put a heavy duty runner on there, like you get by the foot. And that works really good. And then the newspaper will go on top of that. Okay. Okay. Oops. I cut a hole in here in the wire, and I'll drop a piece of plastic down that. It's that heavy plastic. And that's at the top of the cage. And then I lined up, you can go to the garden, let me go this way. You can go to the garden department and get just these bamboo garden sticks. And what I thought I'd do there is sit their nests way up there on top, like little basket nests, because that's what they're used to. So I have to cut these off and adjust them so they stay up there. Okay, and I haven't cut all the zip strips off yet. Just a few more. Oh, and then I do run another bamboo stick all the way across the bottom where the plastic is. To keep the plastic so it won't fly out. And after it's on for a while, it won't fly out. And I just have, right now, just 3 zip strips to hold the plastic, which is way above us, which is probably, 2.5 inches. And then it's way over here. It's way bigger than the hole. Sorry about the mess. Baskets are sitting on this bamboo that I wrapped with cotton string. Glued it. But they're loving it.
When they shoot the bird, you see the gun, it's still moving. Boom.